Hey, it's Low Fellow Nose back at you with another tech take, and today we're taking a look at one of those pieces of tech I consider, well, tech you never knew you needed until you actually tried it. I'm talking about the Creatulize X1. Now, the X1 is a fully automatic dust mite vacuum robot that will clean bed surfaces as well as sofas. Now, I've had the pleasure to test this for the past couple of weeks, and I wanted to share my thoughts with you. First things first. Exactly what does it do and how does it help you? Well, if you suffer from skin allergies or dust mites or even pet fur, this addresses that with a 3-step process: vibration, vacuum, sanitize. The vibration and vacuum work together with its 15,000 CPM high-speed brushless motor and 14 air watts powerful suction that beats and raises dirt or dust mites and then sanitizes it with its UVC LEDs to sterilize your bed or sofa up to 99.9%. And well, I'll tell you this, I was surprised by what I got after its first run. Now, honestly, I change my sheets every week, so when I saw what was in the filter, I couldn't believe my eyes. Best believe I immediately did this on every bed and couch in the house. Now, what makes this so convenient is that it's an automatic vacuum sanitizer for your bed or sofa. Normally, you'd have to take a traditional bed vacuum and try to clean as much as you can, but the X1 does it automatically for you. And, well, through my experience, it did not disappoint. Just lay it on the bed, and well, I like to start at the corner, press the power button on the side for 1 second for it to power on, and then select one of 3 modes depending on the job. Now, first, you have a gentle mode, which is ideal for frequent uses, probably like daily. You can have this running while you're taking a shower or getting ready for work, and again, it will remove dust mites and sanitize your bed. You can choose the powerful mode. Now, this is great for a once-a-week use. When the bed has accumulated more dirt and dust mites and it needs a thorough cleaning, you can use this mode. Now, this is the mode that I used when I first tested it, and it gave me those shocking results that I shared with you earlier. The last mode is precision mode, where it takes its sweet time, really getting a deep, deep clean. Now, this is better if you plan on being away on vacation or any other extended period of time, and well, you need all that dust that's laid on your bed gone. Now, you may be thinking, Lo, okay, it does a good job cleaning and it does it automatically, but is this going to fall off my bed? Well, the answer is no. With its 9 proximity sensors and intelligent furniture recognition, not once did it fall off cleaning my beds or sofa. It also avoids obstacles on the bed, making sure it doesn't knock items over. Plus, the X1 creates a complete coverage path, making sure it doesn't clean the same area twice. Now, what's funny is my daughter and I would just watch and just crack up saying, "Don't fall, X1, don't fall," and it never did. All right, in the box, which by the way is very well packaged, you get your dust filter that catches everything. Also, you can pop it open to clean it out. A dust brush to clean your X1, of course, your X1. You have your power button on the side. On the bottom, you have your UV LEDs, brushless motor, and your wheels. You also get instructions, guards for the wheels that can be snapped on, which is used for manual mode. Now, real quick, it does have a manual mode if you want to use it, well, in manual mode. Although I don't see why, but if you do want to use it in manual mode, that means you're manually holding this and, moving it over, if you're into that kind of thing. Continuing inside the box, you have your USB-C to USB-A cable to charge your X1. To set up, just take your filter and just place it on top of the X1. It has a strong magnet that grabs it and secures it in place. All right, my final thoughts on the X1. Well, like I said in the beginning, you really don't know you need something until you actually see it in action. And the X1 convinced me of that. Again, what makes it so appealing is that you just set it on the bed and forget it. It's working for you while you're making coffee, taking a shower, watching a movie, or when you leave for work. It'll shut off when it's done. You can't ask for much more than that. Now, my fair points on the X1. This is a vacuum, and it does get loud. Yeah, the gentle mode is the quietest mode, but it's not really quiet at all. Obviously, because it's a vacuum. Ultimately, I'm okay with that, and I think you will too. Second, depending on the size of your bed or sofa or the fabric on the bed, like a comforter, sheet, or even the bed itself, it could take a while to finish, so keep that in mind. Outside of that, again, the X1 was something I didn't know I needed until I actually saw what it does, and now I'm convinced. All right, check for yourself right now on Kickstarter. I'll leave links down below so you can check out additional features or pick one up for yourself. But until next time, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.